Today I'm bike picking. I built myself a trash bin for my bike and a longer gripper, so yeah, now I can go picking up litter while on my bike. I recently watched Chilli's videos on YouTube where he goes picking up litter while riding his bike, so I thought that's a great idea and I want to try that as well. So yeah, I made myself my own bucket here, my own trash bin for the bike. It's just some angles, and here's already the first trash hotspot. Yeah, unfortunately a lot of people sit here, drink, and yeah, there's no trash bin, so all the trash just ends up here. So yeah, let's clean that up. My first trash bag is almost full and I'm not even done with the part down here, but yeah, look at that, almost full. And with that, we are done at this spot. My trash bag is almost full. I cleaned up all the cigarette butts in front and in the back. And yeah, the broken glass as well, and the plastics here. And while we're at it, I can also clean up this mess and this. Alright, up here's already next trash, but first I need a new bag. And if you're wondering how I built this and you might want to rebuild that yourself, all you need are just a few metal angles here. I screwed one into the trash bin right there and then attached those two right here, so you can just click it in. It's pretty sturdy, doesn't move, and yeah, all the weight holds it down. So yeah, quick removability was my #1 priority. So yeah, you can just take it, put it somewhere if you need to pick a lot up, and yeah, just quickly reattach it. This bike path is also directly next to the road up there, so yeah, I think here is a lot more litter than before. I see something. Yeah, cigarette packaging. One of those single-use vapes with lithium-ion batteries. They are really terrible. I already see a styrofoam box. Yeah, styrofoam packaging. I have to say I really like the setup. The trash bin is easily removable. That's a huge win. And yeah, you can just step out of the bike and get all the trash here already mowed over. That sucks, but it's still okay, you can still get it. Yeah. If you want to go bike picking yourself, feel free to copy my setup, build this trash bin as well. All you need is really just an old trash bin, some metal angles, and some screws, and a bike. A bike would be helpful as well. And this happens when the city mows without picking up trash first. Just get shredded down into hundreds or thousands of different pieces. Here, there's another one. It's impossible to remove now. They just made it worse. Coffee to go or to throw away. There's a trash-free parking space coming up there, so we'll take a look at how good this works. So there's no trash bin, and the idea is that you take the trash with you. Trash-free parking lot. So yeah, let's see. It's not working. It's not working very well, unfortunately. Okay, I'm moving on. It really wasn't as bad as I expected it to be. Just a few tiny items. Didn't film everything, but yeah, thought it would be worse. I just had to turn around because I saw this Capri Sun here. Yeah, this has been shredded into, I think it was a plastic cup, and has been shredded into dozens of these tiny pieces, which sucks. Cigarette packaging. And another Capri Sun. There's a trash bin coming up, so I think I'll put it right here. Alright, the bag is full. Oh no, I don't want to throw away those. Still need them. And with that, I'm done for today. I think this was a very successful trial run. My bin was holding up pretty good. I think I need some other mechanism for holding the trash bag. But besides that, I think this is a pretty successful design. Really easy to attach and get out. And if you want to see more bike picking content, you should check out Chilli's channel. I'll link it somewhere up there.